Waha. Petroleum hub, Shami, Waha. Yanda Yarkan. On any day. Sisia Aban or shall see free 20,000 acres. And a one man, I had as an often a dimbon kakra was it. Mansunti, Binos, assassin, Aban Sisia Watso or Daba 12,300 acres. Actually, questions are none way be sana, if you walk American. Sisia was 12,000. So what can I walk here? Redemarcation to 12,000 now. The tendency there, because original petroleum hub when you there will be 20,000. Now, because of how there was kakra or bed, only to go scale it back. Immediately you scale it back. Now you have 12,000 now. The remaining land now over periphery. The tendency there, other private people will budget them and assassin. So what is the plan there in the future? Because actually, petroleum hub projects all over the world are. Not to go my cadet, Yandi 20,000 acres simple. On the Osa. Actually, more Cag Island. Actually, it immediately they scale the back. Now, assassin other winning now. Other people are going to acquire those land. It's one plan for future upgrade. Not obey them. Most of you there. I don't want to watch one nando.
Yes.
Now watch 20,000 now. Now we'll work within 12,000. So that in the next year, there's a 20 years in bonus at the mass and 1 quarter. Upon Waji, assassin wait here. Because this year, wait here until some other one. That's our profuna. Watch your manson. 1 quarter, not just or cheddar assassinate the whole. But Sisia problem here being an on and one bottom. A cascade the back Sisia, you walk before watch your manson, if you don't care day. A cascade, it is going to create another problem. It means to affect our one future expansion. Expansion. It is anchor what bears why the only thing government. Why the assassin has 20,000 way training and the next 20 years on for assassin Bibia. Assassin into work and wait here and assassin the not you also take it away from us. The man soon I have up on our work and man soon crack. Wait me there why a day, why a day. Give it there. This thing could be avoided. Sorry, I made an oil. You see, and America. I ban or bayanas or Jinanan do papa there. Sikawa will go to it. You can acquire the land. And your Juma in the next 10-20 years, you can go back for it. That one will even save and even protect the investment that is going to come.